Did you get the latest flash alert from the FBI? No? Well, the FBI just announced earlier this week that at least 30 US companies across multiple industries have become compromised by Ranzy Locker ransomware. So you might not have heard of Ranzy Locker before, and that's most likely because they are a rebranded ransomware gang. They were previously known as ThunderX around August of this year, and then prior to that, the gang was known as Acronis. So they went from ThunderX to Ranzy Locker after some researchers found a way to reverse their encryption and provided a free decryptor to all of their victims. But despite these mishaps and the time spent thinking up new rebranding, the gang has actually been busy. So while no specific companies were named, the FBI reports that victims of the gang span multiple industries, including construction, manufacturing, academia, information technology, and transportation, pointing to the fact that no industry is really safe from being a target of ransomware. What information there is about the attacks indicate that the Ranzy Locker gang uses a combination of brute force to crack RDP credentials, but also a combination of that with Microsoft Exchange exploits. Like most ransomware gangs, the gang will steal unencrypted documents and then encrypt them on their way out. After that, anyone who doesn't pay up ends up having their sensitive data posted on the Ranzy leak site. While the gang's ransomware has been cracked once, that isn't as common as you would hope, and not something you should rely on. The gang patched their previous ransomware strain and, as you can see, are now on a spree. So what can you do to protect yourself? Part of your strategy should be having a tool that recognizes the malicious behaviors not only certain malware exhibits, but ransomware as well. Obviously, for us, that choice is Acronis Cyber Protect. It has an advanced heuristic engine which recognizes when ransomware is present and stops it before it steals and encrypts your precious data. No downtime, no ransomware negotiations, and no ending up in our weekly news.